Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about function recursion in JavaScript. So recursion is a technique where a function calls itself repeatedly until a certain base condition is met. So with the recursive approach, a task is divided into smaller subtasks. So the recursion can be used for traversing tree-like structure, or also we can use that to calculate factorial. So let's now see how we can calculate factorial using the recursion. So in case you don't know factorial of a number, suppose we have the number 4, so factorial of 4 will be the multiplication of 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So factorial of any number is the multiplication of all the numbers until 1. So here in this case the factorial of 4 will be 24. So let's now see how we can write a function that will recursively calculate the factorial of any number. So we're gonna define the function factorial, and the function takes the number as parameter. So here inside, first of all we need to have the base case. So the base case is something that will terminate the recursive call, and that is very important because it will stop the function from getting into infinite loop. So the base case is whenever the value of n is equal 0 or the value of n is equal 1, then we're gonna return 1. So we're basically gonna terminate the recursion whenever the value of n become 0 or the value of n become 1. Else we're gonna write the recursion case. So here we're gonna have recursion case. So we're gonna repeatedly return n multiplied by, and now we're gonna recursively call the function, and here inside we're gonna pass n minus 1. So we're basically going to multiply n, and then we're gonna recursively call the factorial function with the parameter n minus 1. And now if we console log the factorial and we pass the number 4, so you can see we have the output as 24. So here we're basically recursively calling the function over and over again until the value of n becomes 0 or 1. So recursion is very powerful technique which can simplify the code. So here we are recursively calling the same function from within the function. So hope you understand about recursion in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.